Welcome to a quick rundown of just some of the new features and improvements you could expect to see in the EMDECS Q3 update. Let's start with a look at some of the brand new features introduced to the system.
Text message notifications.
We're excited to announce a brand new text message notification system for our EMDECS users. Simply navigate to your user manager screen and enable text to be sent when a unit is ready, has arrived at the shop, or when a repair order or estimate is awaiting approval. For when your email inbox has just become too much, set up text message notifications to ensure you're aware of what's going on when you need to be.
Add new users.
With this update, we've made the onboarding of your new hires a few steps simpler. Management with access to the user manager screen can now easily create new user profiles in EMDECS in a couple of easy steps. Add their email, name, and assign the appropriate software license access, and done, they're ready to go.
Barcode scanning.
Locating parts in EMDECS has just gotten easier. We're aware that many shops already utilize barcode scanners throughout their various areas of business and felt it was time to incorporate it further into the EMDECS system. Whether you're doing a counter sale, working through an RO, PO, or various other screens, a barcode scanner can now be used to speed up the part lookup process. Use the barcode and keyboard icons next to any of the relevant search fields to quickly toggle between the lookup methods. No more manually entering part numbers, you can simply scan.
New to the unit master screen.
To help our friends in some of the specialty heavy-duty vehicle industries, like construction and waste, we have added a few new areas on the unit master screen. You may have noticed some of these pop up already, but let's explore their full potential. Under Units Details, you will now find additional fields for the body make and model, an additional subtype dropdown to further specify the equipment type and the unit's capacity and corresponding form of measurement. Back on the main part of the screen, you'll also notice two new tabs at the bottom. The Import Permits and Import Fuel Capacity tabs both come with downloadable templates to help you bulk upload the relevant information about your units. This can be extremely helpful for large fleets to better keep track of every aspect of their vehicles.
Redesigned inventory transfer screen.
For this quarter's update, our dedicated development team has taken an in-depth look to not only improve the efficiency of the way the system works, but also the way that you work with it. Let's take a look at some of these featured improvements. On the inventory transfer screen, you'll notice a bit of a makeover. The layout has been altered to make the process simpler, and the part lookup functionality has been updated to not only accommodate search parts by keyword, but to include the new barcode scan option mentioned earlier.
Streamline financial manager screen.
Over on the financial management screen, we've added a couple of new filters for year and period. This will not only allow the system to load significantly faster, but also help you to more quickly identify the journal entries you're looking for without having to parse through seemingly endless lists.
Counter sale copy function.
If you deal with regular counter sale customers and their reoccurring orders, this new function may be of particular interest. With the click of the new copy button, open or invoice counter sales can now be replicated with ease. So when Bob, for example, walks in wanting to place the same order he does on every third Friday of the month, your crew will have him ready to go in no time. Oh, and if Bob's feeling particularly adventurous this time and wants to try out brake pads from a new vendor, the duplicated order is still available to be edited or altered as needed.
Equipment downtime reports.
Last but not least, we've added a new type of report to monitor your equipment downtime. Located under the Fleet category section, you can now quickly generate a report to let you know not only the number, but percentage of hours any units were down in a given time period. These regularly scheduled reports can be incredibly useful to help identify units with recurring issues that need to be explored further. And these are just a few of the ways EMDECS is helping to save you more time and increase your operations efficiency at every level. For a more detailed rundown of all the bug fixes, new features, and system updates, feel free to take a look at our release notes under the System Status and Updates section of our knowledge base at help.emdecs.com.